Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions for managing Japanese beetles in your garden. The Bonide Beetle Bagger Japanese Beetle Trap Kit. If you're dealing with these pesky insects, this product might just be your new best friend. The Bonide Beetle Bagger is renowned for its effectiveness in trapping Japanese beetles both indoors and outdoors. It features a dual lure system combining floral and pheromone attractants, making it irresistible to these pests. Once lured in, the hourglass-shaped disposable collection bags ensure that once the beetles are trapped, they're not escaping. This complete trap kit comes with everything you need: one trap, one dual lure setup, and 2 disposable collection bags. It's designed to cover over 5,000 square feet, making it suitable for large infestation areas. The traps are durable and can last an entire season, providing reliable beetle control without the need for frequent replacements. What sets the Bonide Beetle Bagger apart is its ease of use and assembly. It's designed to be straightforward for any user, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. The trap's design ensures it targets Japanese beetles specifically, minimizing harm to beneficial insects. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and effective way to tackle Japanese beetles without harmful chemicals, the Bonide Beetle Bagger Japanese Beetle Trap Kit is an excellent choice. Its dual lure system, durable construction, and ease of use make it a standout in the market. That wraps up our overview of this product. If you've tried this trap or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.